whenever I share my URL with someone else, it gives me this error message 404 and this page is not on the web. But I'm logged in my other browser with the same, you can see same URL, Parveen Gosai, GitHub/PRAVWN, and this is the same URL where I'm not logged in. So it is showing like my GitHub is working and I have uploaded my repos as well here. Everything is working fine, but when I share URL, it gives me 404 error. So how to solve it? So you need to open this link, and the link is support.github.com/contact/next. So you need to open this link with that browser where you are logged in with the account in which you're facing problem. Open a new tab and open this link. It will ask you to do start two-factor authentication. So this is the thing which you need to verify, two-factor authentication. You need to select your country and enter your phone number. So after entering the code, you need to select your account, personal or standard. Click on continue, and herein you need to click on this option, reinstallation request, because it is not related to billing. So click on this reinstatement request, and here you need to enter the subject. You need to enter my account is flagged and its profile URL is not working, right? You need to enter this heading and enter this information. So here you need to enter my profile is flagged and showing 404 error when I share it to anyone. You need to enter this information, and to select this option, GitHub or npm. If you use npm, click both. Enter the username in which you are facing the problem. Here you need to select the correct option like this. I cannot log in, but my profile and contributors are not able to visible. So I am logged in and my profile but my profile is not visible. So you need to select this option. Make sure to select the correct option. Scroll down, and have you contacted GitHub earlier? If you have done it, I have never done it, so because I have not faced this problem. So click on no and click on I have reviewed and understand GitHub problems, and click on just continue option. You can select your email ID and CC it to any other email ID, and here in issue you need to select this error one and click on this submit option. That's it. So I have already submitted my ticket, so it is showing like this. So you can see in my tickets I have already submitted before making this video. You can see I have already submitted 32 minutes ago. This is my request number in it. So this is the same query which I have entered. So you need to do this, and within days you will get a reply from GitHub. And so after 3 hours I just sent, you can see the email request at around 12:30. You can see the time, and around 3:12 means 2.5 hours or 3 hours I got the email from GitHub support. So it is a very quick support. Within 3 hours I got the email, and you can see this email: thank you for contacting GitHub, and we have cleared the restriction from your account. You can see now you can access your GitHub again. So let me open incognito mode and let me enter the same link again, and let me press enter and see whether it is working or not. So you can see now my link is working. I am not signed in and it is working. So now I can share my link to anyone. So friends, now you will be able to do it, and in case you face any problems, you can mention it in the comment section and make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.